Light inside of me, guiding me. Finally, I can see you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a couple of new items here that you guys don't know about, so I'm going to give you a quick run through of what I picked up lately. I picked up the Natasha Denona High Glam Foundation. I've been using the shade NR13. I'm still iffy about it. It matches me after it oxidizes. When I first put it on, it looks like, girl, you sure that's your color? But after I put it on, after it oxidizes, it looks really pretty. So I'm kind of iffy about if I want to keep it or not. But I really love the finish of the product. You guys know I'm a fan of the NARS Radiant Longwear Concealer. Radiant Longwear Foundation. Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and this is basically the same, up the same alley. I absolutely love Radiant semi-matte. It's like semi-radiant, semi-matte kind of foundations. I love those. Those are my favorite. It looks skin-like and they're full coverage and they last all day. This one says 18-hour wear, so that's what I love about that. Also, I picked up a couple of things from Ulta. I picked up this brush. This is the Morphe M243, and I don't like it. I already tried using it. I don't like it. I don't know if I didn't just like it with when I wore this foundation, but I think she's going back. So I have that over there in the corner. I got a couple of things from Made by Mitchell. Did you know that Made by Mitchell was in Ulta now? So that made me excited. I have this Blush Fairy Kitten liquid highlighter, and I'll probably use that today because I want to do like a fairy pink look. I have a couple of items from Half Magic. These I have a video on. These stuff I have a whole unboxing on, so I'll make sure I'll put it in the shorts so you can see these items. So I have like a Half Magic. This is, what is this? An eyeshadow, but it's like metallic. I have these two metallic eyeshadows from Juvia's Place. I have a pencil brush from Morphe, which I'm very excited about using because I only have one pencil brush and it's from MAC, and I always lose it. It's always somewhere around. I should have brought another one. And then I picked up some items from MAC. I had got the, what is it called? The Fabby. I already put it away, so I'll bring it out another day. It was the Fabby Gel, lipstick. It's the Fabby Frost lipstick. Really pretty pink frost lipstick. I got Berry Go Lightly lip glass, which is like a champagne color. I got Gel lipstick, which I'm definitely excited about using. This is another frost. It's a champagne color, but we're not gonna do those today. I got what is this? Rosy Cheeks Blush. I'm definitely going to be using this one today. I got Snobbish Lip Gloss. I'm probably going to use this one today. Maybe. I'm not sure. And then I got three lip liners. I got Caviar, which I already had, but I misplaced it and I kind of think I threw it out and I only used it one time. It's so devastating. Anyways, I got another Chestnut, which is a staple color, and I got Vino. Vino is like a burgundy purple. So if you can see that right here, that's Vino. And that's gonna look really pretty with my pink lip combos. Excited about using that. And then I just got Gesso eyeshadow. And then, what did I get? And then I have a Sephora bag that I'm going to go through, but we'll do that in another video. So let's just get into this look today. I definitely want to do something fairy-like. I think this hair calls for something cute and something fairy. So that's what we're going to do today.